Dawn breaks across the city. Inside a small apartment, Emma sits frozen at her desk, overwhelmed by the weight of an unfinished project. The deadline looms. Hours of work stretch ahead like an impossible mountain to climb. Emma rubs her tired eyes, checks the clock, and sighs deeply. Then a lifeline arrives. Her phone buzzes. A text from Jake. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once. One step at a time. You've got this. Sometimes the simplest wisdom cuts through the noise. Emma reads the message twice, a small smile breaking through her anxiety. She stands, walks to the window, and opens it wide. Fresh air fills the room and her lungs. In that moment, the overwhelming becomes manageable. Not because the work changed, but because her approach did. Emma returns to her desk with renewed focus, breaking the project into small, achievable tasks. One paragraph, one section, one step. Time lapse of Emma working steadily, coffee cup emptying, pages filling.
Dawn breaks through the window pane. Coffee cold, the cursor blinks again. Deadlines pressing on my mind. One more mountain left to climb. But then you reminded me what I couldn't see. One step at a time, one breath at a time. Don't need to move mountains in a single line. One step at a time, one breath at a time. Don't need to move mountains in a single line. One step at a time, the sun will shine. Breaking through the overwhelm, one step at a time. Fresh air flowing through the room.
Hours pass. The weight lifts with each completed piece. Progress replaces paralysis. Emma hits submit and leans back, exhausted but triumphant. Another text from Jake. Proud of you, sis. I knew you'd do it. Emma types back. Thanks. Couldn't have done it without your reminder to take it one step at a time.
Don't need to move mountains in a single line. One step at a time, the sun will shine. Breaking through the overwhelm, one step at a time.
Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come not from working harder, but from working smarter, one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos like this every week.